The return of the Honda S2000 in 2026 is more than just the comeback of a famous badge, it is the revival of a philosophy that many enthusiasts feared was lost forever. At a time when the automotive world is dominated by heavy SUVs, electric crossovers, and overly complex performance cars, Honda has chosen to bring back a lightweight, driver-focused roadster that puts emotion, balance, and precision at the center of the experience. The 2026 Honda S2000 is not trying to be the fastest car on paper or the most luxurious in its class. Instead, it aims to reconnect the driver with the road in the purest way possible. From the outside, the design immediately communicates that this is a modern interpretation of a classic formula. The proportions are unmistakably S2000, a long, sculpted hood, a compact cabin pushed slightly rearward, and a short, muscular rear deck. The front fascia looks sharp and purposeful, featuring slim LED headlights that give the car an intense, focused expression. The grille is wide and low, designed to feed air efficiently into the engine and cooling systems, while the sculpted hood lines hint at the performance hiding underneath. As you move around the car, the side profile reveals a perfectly balanced silhouette. The body lines are clean and flowing, avoiding unnecessary complexity while still looking aggressive and modern. Large alloy wheels fill the arches, emphasizing the low ride height and wide track. Aerodynamic side skirts and carefully shaped mirrors reduce drag and enhance stability at higher speeds. Every detail feels intentional, as if Honda's engineers and designers worked hand in hand to ensure that form and function are perfectly aligned. At the rear, the 2026 S2000 keeps things sporty yet refined. Slim LED taillights stretch horizontally, visually widening the car and giving it a planted look. A subtle integrated spoiler adds downforce without ruining the clean design, while the rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets underline the car's performance intentions. It's a design that feels modern but not trendy, aggressive but not overdone, and most importantly, timeless. ToyotaSpeedcar inside the cabin, the S2000 continues its driver-first philosophy. The moment you sit down, you feel low and connected, almost like you're wearing the car rather than sitting inside it. The seats are heavily bolstered, designed to hold you firmly in place during spirited driving, yet they remain comfortable enough for longer journeys. Premium leather and Alcantara materials dominate the interior, complemented by contrast stitching that adds a sporty, high-end feel. The dashboard is clean, minimal, and focused entirely on the driver. A fully digital instrument cluster takes center stage, featuring a large, prominent tachometer that instantly reminds fans of the original high-revving S2000 engines. The display is crisp and customizable, allowing the driver to prioritize performance data, navigation, or driving assistance information depending on the situation. Unlike many modern cars that overwhelm the driver with screens and distractions, the S2000's layout feels refreshingly purposeful. The steering wheel is compact and flat-bottomed, wrapped in high-quality leather, with perfectly placed controls that allow you to adjust key settings without taking your hands off the wheel. Behind it, paddle shifters provide quick, satisfying gear changes for those who choose the automatic transmission, while manual enthusiasts can still enjoy a traditional gear lever designed for short, precise throws. Carbon fiber trim pieces, aluminum pedals, and subtle ambient lighting complete the cockpit, creating an atmosphere that blends motorsport inspiration with modern refinement. Performance is where the 2026 Honda S2000 truly earns its legendary name. Honda is expected to power the car with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine, potentially paired with mild hybrid technology, producing around 300 horsepower. While that number may not sound extreme compared to some modern sports cars, it's important to remember that the S2000 has always been about how the power is delivered, not just how much there is. Combined with a lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive, this setup promises thrilling acceleration and razor-sharp responsiveness. The engine is tuned to deliver strong mid-range torque while still encouraging drivers to push toward the higher revs, staying true to the S2000's performance DNA. Whether you're accelerating out of a tight corner or cruising on an open highway, the power delivery feels smooth, linear, and engaging. The exhaust note has been carefully engineered to sound sporty and aggressive without becoming obnoxious, adding to the emotional connection between car and driver. Handling has always been the heart of the S2000, and the 2026 model takes this reputation even further. The chassis features near-perfect weight distribution, allowing the car to feel incredibly balanced through corners. The suspension system is designed to adapt to different driving conditions, offering a comfortable ride during daily use while instantly firming up when the driver switches to sportier modes. Steering is precise and communicative, providing clear feedback about road conditions and grip levels, which is something many modern cars struggle to deliver. Braking performance is equally impressive, with large ventilated discs and high-performance calipers ensuring confident stopping power even during aggressive driving. On twisty roads or track days, the S2000 feels agile, predictable, and rewarding, encouraging drivers to explore its limits without feeling intimidating or unforgiving. Despite its focus on performance, Honda hasn't ignored practicality and safety. The 2026 S2000 is expected to come equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems are designed to work subtly in the background, enhancing safety without interfering with the driving experience. This makes the S2000 suitable not just as a weekend toy, but also as a car you can confidently drive every day. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to start at around $45,000, with higher trims and optional performance packages pushing the price closer to $55,000. While this places it firmly in the premium sports car segment, it remains competitively priced when you consider what it offers. Compared to heavier, more complex rivals, the S2000 delivers a purer driving experience, backed by Honda's reputation for reliability and engineering excellence. In today's market, where many sports cars rely heavily on electronics to create excitement, the S2000 stands out by focusing on balance, feedback, and driver involvement. It doesn't try to impress with excessive horsepower figures or luxury gimmicks. Instead, it delivers something far more valuable to true enthusiasts: a sense of connection, control, and enjoyment that is becoming increasingly rare. In the end, the 2026 Honda S2000 is not just a car for fans of the original model, it's a statement from Honda that driving passion still matters. It proves that there is still room in the modern automotive world for lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports cars that prioritize feel over flash. For anyone who values precision, emotion, and the simple joy of driving, the new S2000 is more than worth the wait.